In this section of the program, you are going to learn about files and filing techniques, using conventional metal hand files and a mild steel workpiece. However, before learning to use a file, it is important that you learn some facts about the actual tools themselves. A typical engineer's file is this flat file. All files consist of a blade or body and a tapered section called a tang, onto which a handle is attached. Files are obtainable in various lengths, shapes and grades. The most commonly used file shapes are the flat, round, and half-round types. Other shapes include the square and triangular or three-square. The purpose of the various shapes is to gain access into sometimes odd-shaped workpieces. Apart from the shape, the most important consideration in selecting a file is the grade, which simply means the type and number of teeth per row. 3 grades are in wide use, namely a coarse grade or bastard, a second cut, and a smooth cut. The teeth rows may also be single cut or double cut. The double cut is easily recognizable by its honeycomb pattern of teeth rows. The selection of a file is dependent upon many factors, including material type, size of workpiece, and shape of workpiece. Some files do not have teeth along one edge. This feature is called a safe edge and is required when filing in areas where the file's edges must not cut adjacent sides. The procedure for using any file, however, is similar, and for purposes of demonstration, we shall be using double-cut flat files. After the pause, you will learn the technique of flat filing on a mild steel workpiece.